So I'm joined by not one Mark, but two Marcos, Mark and Marco from Cornwell and Mariani. Now, it's great to see you guys here at the show. So maybe as you guys are here as the presence, maybe we could start with Cornwell products and why you guys are here.
So Cornwell products have represented Mariani in the UK and Ireland since 1985. So although we're an agency and there's a lot of companies out there that do what we do, we're quite specialised in the companies that we work with. So we've been working with Mariani for a long, long time. And Mariani as a business is growing a lot, as are Cornwell products. So we decided that over the last couple of years, this is the second year on the trot that we've actually exhibited at the PPMA. So we decided to come here together again this year and raise the profile of both the businesses.
What is it about PPMA, do you think, that is a driving show in the industry?
It's the only really big one for us, to be honest with you. Normally, historically, Mariani and ourselves have only really gone to the big shows in Germany, Anuga, Interpack and places like that, and Italy for Mariani in particular. But from our point of view, wanting to raise the profile of the business within food and beverage and dairy markets predominantly within the UK, the PPMA show is the only one to come to for us.
Fantastic, thank you, Mark. Now, Marco, tell us a little bit about Mariani. We've heard why you're supported there by Cornwell Products, but tell us about the actual company.
Yeah, so Mariani is a company was born in 1976, and we started in the dairy industry mainly. And after 40 years of experience together with Tetra Pak and also all the primary packaging coming from Tetra Pak, SIG and Combi Block, in the last few years we have moved to also another dairy product which is the yogurt cups, and let's say we moved also to the bottles, PET bottles, and we have a cooperation in different areas with big manufacturers of filling lines, and we are recognized as one of the best options for the secondary packaging worldwide for let's say all the packs coming out from let's say all the carton packs, bottles, and now also the cups and pots, plastic pots for spreadable cheese, yogurt, and etc. This is for the secondary packaging mainly. So the strategy of Mariani for the secondary packaging is to be, let's say, one of the leaders in the market and to be focused on those markets where, let's say, the high quality, long-term reliability of our machines can be recognized by our customers. On the other hand, half of our production is layer palletizers and robot palletizers, where we have a very wide experience, and let's say we have invested a lot also in this part of our business to redevelop from a mechanical point of view and also software and electronic point of view all our layer palletizers and the robot palletizers to become let's say the most reliable suppliers for palletizing systems. And let's say the peculiarity of our palletizers is to have very smart and compact solutions, because let's say our experience is coming from the dairy industry from more than 40 years, and so the dairy industry were really let's say had really big constraints in terms of space, and so the peculiarity of our machine is still very well recognized, where industrial spaces are very, very expensive, and so we can save and let's say put more machines in a smart way and have smart solutions also for the layout for the layer palletizers. So we can supply turnkey solutions for the secondary packaging and palletizing in one big project. We do 34 million euro turnover every year. In the last 5 years we have done every year the best year ever. And let's say with not more than 10, 15 big projects. And so let's say the size of the projects is quite huge. So in an average of 2.3, 3.5 million euro project. So considering that what we give to our customers is a turnkey project and let's say a package which is also project management and the capability to make big installations and let's say reliability of a company at 360 degrees.
Fantastic. It's a pretty impressive history and CV there. Now, the British, the UK use of robots and palletization is actually behind in comparison to Europe and other countries. Is that something that you're kind of focusing on to kind of push in this area? This is one of the reasons why you're here.
No, let's say historically, let's say UK market and UK and let's say British market, let's say, and also Northern Ireland and Ireland was historically one of the best markets where we have supplied a number of equipment in the years. So now, let's say, together with Cornwell products, again, we are doing a very good job. So we are visiting and we are, let's say, visiting on all the customer, and we are evaluating all the possibilities we have, and we see that we're not the cheapest in the market. We don't want to be, but we are recognized as, let's say, the best compromise between price level and quality level. So that's why, let's say, we arrive to our customers. We give them the turnkey solution, the best solution they can imagine, and let's say on the table there is, let's say, this reliable and long-term efficient solution and low cost in terms of also of let's say cost of maintenance of our machines.
Brilliant. Well, my dad always used to say, buy cheap, buy twice. I'm going to leave you guys to see all the people that have come in today. Thank you very much.